Control FPWINPro is the IEC 61131 PLC programming software from Panasonic Electric Works, which can program all Panasonic PLCs from the smallest FPE to the largest FP2SH. Already in 1995, Panasonic Electric Works was one of the first companies to offer a PLC programming software based on the international PLC standard. Since that time, we have been continuously improving the functionality. Now we have released FPWINPro version 6.0, which incorporates several new features resulting from customer requests and extensive experience in PLC technology. In addition to its own libraries, FPWINPro allows you to program and save your own functions and function blocks, which saves you time for programming and debugging. Reuse of functions and function blocks lends your project a modular structure and hence a much better overview. The two main parts of the international standard IEC 61131 are the common elements and 5 programming languages. The common elements, such as data types, variables, and program organization units, serve as the basis for reuse within PLC software. Without them, it would not be possible to program functions or function blocks. IEC functions significantly reduce the number of instructions with which you need to be familiar. In conventional PLC programming, you require a separate function for addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. for each data type. By comparison, in IEC programming, one function suffices for all data types, as long as the input and output are assigned the same data type. FPWINPro offers all 5 PLC programming languages listed in the IEC standard: instruction list, ladder diagram, function block diagram, structured text, and sequential function chart. Ladder diagram is highly popular due to its graphic nature. Input contacts such as manual start and no error flag, executed simultaneously, activate the output contact motor runs and start the motor. Structured text resembles a high-level computer language and is often preferred by engineers. To write the same program in ST, motor runs is assigned to the manual start or automatic start input and the no error flag. Sequential function chart, SFC, allows you to combine several program elements created with any IEC programming language into one overall program. Hence, SFC provides you with an excellent overview of even the most complex programs. Monitoring illustrates which program step is currently active in different colors. If a problem occurs, simply debug the affected subprogram. The Program Organization Unit (POU) concept of the IEC standard enables you to program your own functions and function blocks. The POU consists of a header with a variable interface and the body with the program code. The variables in the header can be used by the function or function block. The program in the body must be developed only one time, tested only one time, but can be reused infinitely in PLC programs. This saves time and errors. The library concept of FPWINPro is an additional feature of Panasonic. Functions and function blocks can be stored in libraries specified by the user, for example, to indicate a certain functionality or special project. Know-how can be protected by passwords. The navigator in FPWINPro simplifies operation and provides an overview of all features and functions. Use system registers to change hardware characteristics, for example, number of timers or counters. Libraries functions and function blocks are stored in the library pool. The task pool includes programs, or interrupt programs. Global variables can be used in the whole project. The project programs, functions and function blocks are stored in the POU pool. The user-friendly comment and documentation features not only aid others to more easily understand the program, but also allows the programmer to keep track of his own thoughts. For example, if he has to modify the program at some point in the future, print functions enable you to keep reliable documentation of the project based on international quality standards. FPWINPro also supports remote programming and monitoring, for example via modem, Ethernet or open bus systems such as Profibus, etc. Panasonic Electric Works is a leading member of the international organization PLC Open. PLC Open is a leading association worldwide related to control programming. FPWINPro has already received several certificates from PLC Open. The conformity level, the reusability level, the motion control library, the training certificate. The training certificate, for example, indicates that Panasonic Electric Works trains users according to IEC 61131 and PLC Open. FPWINPro version 6.0 supports Unicode. Create programs, variables, functions, function blocks, comments, etc. in the language of your choice: English, German, Japanese, Chinese, Thai, Turkish, Arabic. There are no restrictions. No special setting is required in Windows. Just make sure your keyboard settings are correct. Another new functionality in FPWINPro is the keyboard-controlled mode. With the improved keyboard control possibilities and a variety of additional shortcuts, users enjoy increased flexibility in all situations. They can mix working with the keyboard or the mouse at any time, without needing to enter and exit a special keyboard control mode. Especially for editors like ladder diagram, LD, and function block diagram, FBD, the implementation of intelligent shortcuts and intelligent lines, AutoConnect, accelerates programming, which is especially appealing for experienced FPWin GR programmers.